In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram homepage not loading. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now swipe down and refresh the page and check if the homepage now loads. If it does not, then exit out of the Instagram app and close it completely. Then relaunch the app and check. You also want to make sure that you're connected to a stable network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can turn on flight mode and turn it off after some time. Refresh the network and check if that fixes your problem. Next, you want to clear the Instagram's app cache. For that, long press on the Instagram app. Now tap on the app info icon. Here, scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. After that, head back. Now tap on force stop. Tap on OK. You also want to tap on permissions. Here, make sure that all the required permission is given. You can simply tap on any of these options and then tap on allow. Now open Instagram and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not, then you simply want to update the app. Launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search Instagram. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After it has been updated, open Instagram and this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.